Take a picture like that. You're recording.
What? Oh, okay. We're all good. What are you doing?
I'm doing this.
Get in this.
Just quit biting. Get in this video, Justin. It's going on YouTube.
Oh, fuck that shit.
On.
I don't want to be on YouTube. You fucking.
Yeah, you do. You love
you-
it.
And it's going on Facebook.
You guys.
I'm gonna tell everyone that Justin rubbed his dick on my floor.
I rub my dick on the floor.
Well, why is there a dick spot that looks like... Right here, Justin, what's this?
They look more like
What's
angel
that?
wings. They look more like angel wings. Okay.
I know I'm an angel, Justin. It's okay.
I'm a bigger angel than
I'll
she is,
kill
Justin.
you.
Poke him. Poke the shit out of Justin.
Okay, tell you what. Put my foot in the video.
In my face?
Not in
Not
mine.
your foot from here, Justin. It's
Stinky. You stink.
Poke the shit out of Justin. Courtney, poke the shit out of Justin.
Let's go,
I'm
Justin.
just watching you guys on this. This is hilarious.
Yo, we can see your crotch. You think your crotch? Why is your crotch in here, not your face? Get your face in here.
Obama. Oh. What are you gonna do? The stapler can't do anything.
He's gonna staple your crotch. He's gonna staple your crotch.
Ready, Justin?
Obama.
No, your crotch. He's gonna staple it. Put your.
Okay, I'm in the video.
Put your.
I'm in the video.
Get your head to the crotch, Courtney.
You know, just like.
Oh!